Picture a muddy battlefield in World War II. A nimble vehicle emerges, cutting through the chaos. The Willys Jeep. It's the early 40s, the world is at war, and the US military is in dire need of a small, versatile reconnaissance vehicle. The stage is set for a fierce competition between three commercial companies, Bantam, Ford, and Willys-Overland with its quad. Each firm was tasked with creating a lightweight, four-wheel drive vehicle that could traverse the harshest terrains and withstand the rigors of war. Bantam Car Company was the first to respond, but their design, though innovative, lacked the robustness necessary for the battlefield. Ford, a titan of the automotive industry, also threw its hat in the ring. But it was the little-known Willys-Overland, an underdog in this race, that would change the course of automotive history. Willys-Overland, a company more accustomed to producing passenger cars, took on the challenge with grit and determination. Their design, the quad, was a marvel of innovation, featuring a powerful engine and a unique, tough frame that could withstand the harshest conditions. It was agile, durable, and reliable. Everything the military needed in a reconnaissance vehicle, but innovative design was just half the battle. The real test was production. The daunting question arose: could Willys-Overland manufacture enough of these vehicles to meet the military's urgent requirements? By October 1941, they found struggling to keep up with the soaring demand. Here, the story takes a twist. Willys-Overland didn't reach out to Ford directly. The U.S. War Department, with the need for a large number of Jeeps in a short time frame and having access to a non-exclusive license granted by Willys-Overland to produce the Jeeps with Willys-Overland specifications, chose Ford as a second supplier. Jeeps produced by Ford were named Ford GPW, which distinguished them from the Willys MB. With this move, Willys and Ford combined the might of American industry to back their efforts. Production was ramped up, and Jeeps began rolling off the assembly line at an extraordinary rate. By the war's end, over 600,000 Jeeps were on the ground, ready for duty. The Willys Jeep, initially an underdog, proved its mettle on the world's toughest stage, marking an unforgettable journey from obscurity to fame. If you're enjoying this engaging tale, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more captivating stories. The Willys Jeep wasn't just a vehicle, it was a soldier's trusted companion. The term Jeep itself is believed to have originated from the military designation General Purpose, which was usually abbreviated. This nimble machine proved its worth time and again on the battlefield, showcasing its versatility. It could deftly navigate treacherous terrains, scouting ahead and providing crucial reconnaissance information. As a communication vehicle, it carried messages, bridging the gap between units, making sure the right orders reached the right ears at the right time. It was no less than a lifeline. But perhaps its most iconic role was that of a troop transport. Amidst the chaos and cacophony of war, it ferried soldiers to and from the front lines, its sturdy frame and robust engine never faltering. But the bond between the soldiers and the Jeep ran deeper than its utilitarian roles. Stories abound of soldiers naming their Jeeps, writing their names in dust on the vehicles, or even sharing a quiet moment with it after a long day of battle. One such tale is of Corporal James Jim Fletcher, who fondly named his Jeep Bessie. He claimed that Bessie had a personality of her own, stubborn at times, but always reliable when it mattered. Another soldier, Sergeant Frank Buck Rogers, was known to share his rations with his Jeep, pouring a bit of his coffee into the gas tank every morning for good luck. These stories, while humorous, underscore the resilience of both the Jeep and the soldiers. In the face of adversity, they found solace, companionship, and even a bit of levity in this remarkable machine. The Jeep, with its heart of steel, held a special place in the hearts of those it served. So, the Willys Jeep was much than a vehicle. It was a symbol of resilience, a beacon of hope, and in every sense, a warrior's companion, and that's why it's an iconic part of our history and will always be remembered as such. The Jeep, with its heart of steel, held a special place in the hearts of those it served. From the battlefield to the open road, the Jeep began its next adventure. As World War II came to a close, the Jeep was no longer confined to the battlegrounds. The very traits that made it a war hero, its ruggedness, versatility, and simplicity, made it equally appealing to the civilian population. The Jeep's post-war transformation was remarkable. It seamlessly transitioned from a military vehicle to a civilian adventure partner without losing its core identity. The iconic post-war models like the CJ series, the Wagoneer, and the Wrangler became household names. These Jeeps symbolized a new era of road trips, off-road exploration, and outdoor activities. Imagine farmers using Jeeps to traverse their vast fields, explorers charting unknown terrains, and families packing their Jeep for a weekend getaway. Each one of these stories is a testament to the adaptability and durability of the Jeep. The Jeep was not just a vehicle anymore, it was now a companion, a tool, and a symbol of the American spirit of adventure. And then there was the Jeepney. Out of the ashes of World War II, the resilient Filipinos repurposed surplus military Jeeps into colorful public transport vehicles. The Jeepney, as it came to be known, is a symbol of Filipino ingenuity and resourcefulness. Today, it's considered a national symbol of the Philippines. The Jeep's transformation into a civilian hero was not just about the vehicle itself, it was about the people who used it, loved it, and made it part of their lives. It was about the farmers, the explorers, the adventurers, and their stories of pushing boundaries with the Jeep. The Jeep had become more than a vehicle. It was now a symbol of freedom and adventure. Its story is a testament to the idea that the best innovations are those that serve us in times of war and peace, and in the everyday adventures of life. The Jeep's story is far from over. Its legacy continues to inspire and captivate generations. From muddy battlefields to city streets, from deserts to snowy peaks, the Jeep's versatile spirit has conquered it all. Today, a dedicated community of enthusiasts and collectors keep this spirit alive. They preserve and restore these machines, each with its own story to tell, passing on this rich legacy to future generations. But it's not just about preserving the past. The Jeep continues to evolve, meeting the demands of a changing world without losing its iconic identity. Innovation has always been at the heart of Jeep's journey, and it continues to drive its future. New models like the Jeep Wrangler 4X are testament to this evolution. They offer all the ruggedness and adventure-ready attributes you'd expect from a Jeep, but now with a plug-in hybrid powertrain. This is a bold step into the future, reflecting Jeep's commitment to sustainability without sacrificing its core values. And it's not just about going green. The Jeep is adapting to new challenges and consumer demands, incorporating advanced safety features, connectivity, and autonomous driving technologies. It's about staying true to its roots while embracing the future. The Jeep's journey from a simple military vehicle to a global icon of freedom and adventure has been nothing short of extraordinary. And yet, this is just the beginning. As we look to the future, the Jeep stands ready to write new chapters in its remarkable story, facing new challenges, exploring new frontiers, and continuing to inspire adventurers around the world. The Jeep, an underdog turned icon, continues its journey, ready to face whatever the road ahead holds. The Willys Jeep, from a mud puddle to a global icon, has a story unlike any other. Born in the throes of World War II, this underdog vehicle proved its mettle on the battlefield, earning the respect and admiration of soldiers across the globe. Its innovative design, versatility, and durability made it an indispensable tool of war, and in the years that followed, a beloved companion of adventurers and explorers. The Jeep's journey didn't stop there. It transitioned from military hero to civilian adventure partner, influencing the development of recreational four-wheel drives and SUVs. As it traversed diverse cultures and landscapes, it became a symbol of freedom, rebellion, and individuality. Today, the Jeep continues to evolve, adapting to new challenges with the same spirit that powered its inception. The story of the Willys Jeep is a testament to innovation, resilience, and the power of an underdog. It's a story that continues to inspire, just like the Jeep itself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories about history, technology, and the secrets that shape our world.